I'm making my wooden jack-o'-lantern out of cedar. You can really use any wood of choice here, and you don't even have to plane anything down. You can totally use rough sawn, or you can buy something that's surface 4 sides. The first step is squaring off the board, and this is going to give us a little strip of wood that can be used as a little measuring stick to set up a stop block, because what I'm doing here is cutting out 6 squares. With all the squares cut up, I put them together just to get a rough idea of how much I needed to trim down all of the side pieces, because the idea here is the top and bottom reach over a little bit past the sides. Mitering is one option, but I decided to connect all the pieces using butt joints. So what I'm doing here is just marking how much I have to trim down the left and right side pieces, using the front and back as my way of measuring. Before going further, I just put all the pieces together to make sure I liked the look of it so far. Next, I drew out a simple jack-o'-lantern face, and my way of carving out all of the pieces here is first starting with a drill press. What I'm doing here is just drilling some holes for my jigsaw blade to fit through so that I can carve it out with that. You can also use a hand saw, or if you're doing really intricate work, a scroll saw is a really good choice here. For assembly, I'm gluing all the pieces together, and I'm using pin nails to help clamp the pieces together until the glue dries. You have a lot of options here. You could nail together or use screws, or if you're feeling really adventurous, you could use traditional joinery methods. I want the lid removable because I'll be putting LED lights in the jack-o'-lantern, and I want to be able to replace those once in a while when the battery wears out. So I'm using scrap pieces from before to add little wedges to the lid so it can easily pop in and off but not slide off. The last thing we have to do is attach the bottom, and then we can add lights in the jack-o'-lantern and then put it out for display.